there's no flash. Y'all can't really see this, but we got some conch soup. Oh, okay.
Come for your back, you know, this is for your man them back. That's how back so strong. Wait, my tilted too much.
I want to try it.
Taste it. The fritters I'm buying for you. I'm saying I should come late because I say.
We're supposed to be on a day right now. Is it on me?
Let me say. And say she don't want no feet and she kill me about them so hungry, you know. Not the first place. No, I have flu, I'm get it. So I'm give you take it first and then after you give me. And them say the best one this in the world, best kung soup. I feel like I take care of me. Like I agree in the air. I'm see if them will see it good. Yeah.
I don't taste no conch.
That the man said water can come late to Mr. Kong. That's why I'm not buy the large one, because I'm not buy the large one if not, you know. I can try it good.
Pizza.
Yeah, I want a pizza out. We can do the drive-thru. Pizza drive-thru is supposed to be empty. Come, I'm going on there. You want to drive? I'm going to drink my soup.
Nope.
Drive, I'm tired and sick. Bigger driver for me than I ever run from a drive. Show them the bad nails.
Yo.
Show them the bad nails for what? The fritters smell good, that's what I'm saying I buy it for. No, you want it? A saltfish.
And?
Yeah. I don't say it was a spoiled child.
You're talking?
Her face. You love me?
Can we go answer you any different because the video on?
No, thanks. See where are you, I'm still on. But boy, I say I got salt up my something boy to come with the saltfish fritters. Sharpie, give me a kiss. Mwah. Can't stop it.
So, we don't reach nowhere, right? We're literally circle back and come right back home. Why? Because so yeah, we came to Pizza or Pizza Hut? Pizza Hut. Pizza. We're not in Canada anymore. And it took us like almost an hour just to get in here because of how busy the place is. Like I'm miserable because I'm not really eat nothing substantial from morning. And this was not supposed to be the flights, like Pizza Hut, okay? I mean, I'm cute or whatever, but no. So yeah, oh, these are my dollar earrings, guys. Remember them? They're so cute. But anyways, I just order one pizza. I'll go home, go eat it, and go sleep. There's nothing to do, like my vibes broke. You know when you have a thought in your head of how everything is gonna go and it's just not going how you wanted it to go? Like that's where I'm at right now. And I feel like it always happens to me when I come to Jamaica. But yeah, let's see how long it takes. It says by 8:54. What time is it now? 8:32, so about 20 minutes. And then I can go home. So yeah. People man day here, I'm stress him out, so yeah, he's in his own little world. But that's how it go. Oh well, everybody off a Vic someday, sometime of the day, so. What? So you move for? Because he knows I'm telling the truth, that's why, so yeah. But you guys. Good morning. We are on the road. It is mad early. Well, it's not mad early, but it's early. Especially because we woke up like early up in the morning and try to go back to sleep. But we have to go meet with one of our caterers. So yeah, me and babe are just on our way. Or we're just leaving the house and going. We'll literally just wake up and fling on things and gone because... Say good morning.
GM.
Because yeah, we're just tired. And then we're supposed to, well, I'm supposed to go on the road later today, but we shall see if that actually happens. We shall saw. But we're gonna go link one of Babe's brethrens on our way back and stuff like that and figure out one plan because there's
Mocha squad. You know what is Mocha? See ya, man. Go on.
Because there is
Here is what?
something that we want to do or someplace that we want to go. We have to plan it out.
She not gonna away and on a time I shouldn't really realize.
I realize I never really there for so long and the days them just run off and like literally I do what I need to do.
Exactly. I forget to talk them something at first.
Yeah.
I was still have 4 of them for deal with. Still have. That's it. I don't like someone I do nothing at all. Just now I really get the time for really sport it.
Anyhow, so yeah, journey with us to Kingston.
Kingston, right. And in the heart of Kingston too, downtown Kingston.
Oh my god, there's so much traffic early in the morning. Never mind, I'm not gonna show that in the vlog, and then people are gonna know exactly which part you live.
Oh, you know what that's doing.
It does matter.
I don't want to.
That no matter.
Yeah, boy,
okay, just don't joke off so. Thank you.
I say you are a big driver, you know. But that's a pro. That's a rookie.
You're just a pro.
Rookie. You are the pro, you are the rookie. You are a rookie space.
Anyways, y'all. Come back later.
Bye.
Yeah, bless it.
Kingston.
No business about that. Catch my outfits. Hello, people. Hi. Can I get a wow? Give me a wow.
Wow.
Wow. My dress is from, I don't remember. My bag is Steve Madden.
Wow. Big top brand.
Slippers. I don't know where. My ear. One store.
Somewhere around one
installed by my one and only hairdresser, my sister. Big up itself. Alright. Time for mash up things. People, man. Orange, shocking, white, wow, clean, okay.
Central Kingston with it.
Tinglings are taken. Oh Lord. I'm gonna drop out of my slippers because I'm gonna slide off on my foot. You're gonna buy credit now too? Two? Call who? We need for call her if I don't know which part of the restaurant there.
What's the restaurant move? I don't know. Normally I sit there uptown. I can't tell me address.
But didn't she say it's across from the police station?
Yeah.
Yeah, so across. we reached our appointment. About to have our meeting. Let's see, because they have another wedding in our month, so we don't know if it's on the same day. So yeah, that will determine everything. But this is Babe's people them. So let's see. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you don't even kiss him. Like, you obviously don't like him. You're not into him. That's what they're gonna say. They're gonna say, oh, you're so mean, Sam. You're so mean, Sam. That's what they've been saying. Because everything is always 100% perfect in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? There's no way in hell I am entitled to being upset or pissed off at something that my man did, said, does, nothing. I am horrible. I am a horrible person, and I'm gonna make him cheat on me because my voice, when my upsets are miserable. A true. Someone wanna tell me already, so yeah, most true though. A truth? I'm not gonna address them. I'm not address them still, but you know, I just think those comments are so funny. It's hot, bruh. Time hot, B. Time still hot, B. Damn. I'm hungry. And them just reached to so no food, no cook. You guys, I'm struggling with my cocktail hour menu. I just feel like it's, when you say wedding, not even I feel like, when you say wedding, like everything is like double, tripled, quadrupled in price than if I said it was a baby shower or it was just for my birthday or just a family get together or something. And I feel like that's absolutely wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't wait to be certified as a wedding planner.
You know, is a more...
And like, as a vendor, you should be like, oh my gosh, like, let me try to assist these people as much as possible because they must be spending so much money already. Literally everything you gotta spend on. Everything, down to the panty and socks. We are go here. A truth. Oh, the lighting is so much better this way. But like, everything's so expensive.
What's wrong with this?
Answer it.
Yeah.
Alright people, when something a little bit more interesting happens, I will come back. Business I have to go take care of right now, okay? Love you guys. A sweet stuff or sour stuff?
A sweet stuff.
Look what I get it. I don't really like it, but yeah. Anyways guys, it was a success. I think finally everything is finalized for the most part. Yo, I hate this nigga, like. Anyways, I'm gonna go cause out the door there and I can't bother.
You can't take that straight and go. Central Kingston, downtown, you know? Heart of the country. All here, big batty.
Go on, can you tell her to come back? No, go on. Reverse. Roll down the window. Why? That laugh. Don't turn the wheel. Good boy. All right, stop. Oh, all right, turn your wheel. Wait, put on your seat belt.
That's big driver.
Before they come for us in the vlog.
That's what I remember last time.
Turn your Jesus Christ, bro. Me just said turn the wheel. Me never say move. Wow.
Remember them turn I go there? The ages when I touch them 3 times, yes sir? Yeah, yes sir. Oh, me I go now, boy. How would you go up there?
Good night, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
going to
Tutti
Tutti
Frutti
Frutti. Whoa, look at it. It's dark. But it's still so much light. Why we never just wait a little bit or come in right now and get the parking right here, so.
I know, man. Yeah, come when I come in back here. Why?
Back way.
Merry Christmas again. And I see you plan, yeah?
What?
You plan, them say everybody. I'd see them again.
Merry Christmas.
Show them the mark.
No.
Still a come back, battery exhaust.
No, turn it off. For the battery is exhaust.